Alright, I'm getting ready to fire up my generator. I normally fire it up once a month, but I've been slacking. I don't think I fired this up in about 3 months. I can't remember, but anyways, I know it's been a while. Alright, so got the key. See if the battery's dead. Well, we got some juice. There we go, see? Alright. Gonna have to use the pull cord to the next episode. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, you know, I had a dead battery, so right there's the pull cord, so we want to make sure our key's on position, which it is. Alright, now we're just gonna give her a nice little pull here. Alright, I gotta set this down for a minute. Wait a minute. Alright, there we go. Alright. Yeah, I hear that little. Alright, we'll shut this back up. Alright. I'll come over here. Let's see, we got hours here. What's that up there? Amperage, RPMs, voltage. Get back to hours, and then we got a throttle, economy throttle. And our mosquito just flew by. So we take it, turn that off, and put on high idle. All right. Don't actually need that. Here's your 30 amp switch, and we'll turn that down. Right, we'll let that run for, I don't know, 15 minutes, I guess, or so. Alright, just keep your machines maintained and keep running for you. To the next episode. Alright, she's been running for 45 minutes. Cut her off. Alright, just out of curiosity, it might start right back up. I got a pretty good charge on the battery, but battery's like 6 years old maybe. Let's see what happens. No. They're gonna have to replace the battery. Alright, but you know, I got a pull start, so I work with that for now. Alright, to the next episode.